Number 4 is LONGER LK4 3D printer. If you have an insatiable Nerf gun obsession like me, then the LONGER LK4 3D printer is the ultimate weapon in your creative arsenal. This bad boy takes the hassle of assembling your printer thanks to its mind-blowing 90% pre-assembly. But wait, there's more! Prepare to be dazzled by the 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen, a futuristic marvel that replaces those old-fashioned manual knobs. With its user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly preview your epic Nerf gun models and monitor the printing process without sweating. The LK4 isn't just about flashy screens and fancy gadgets, though. It boasts a robust aluminum frame that guarantees top-notch printing quality and durability. And if power outages or pesky filament shortages try to rain on your Nerf parade, fear not. Safety first, my fellow Nerf enthusiasts. The LK4's hidden power supply ensures your well-being while you unleash your 3D printing genius. Plus, with its lightning-fast 280W power, you'll have your heat bed sizzling at a scorching 100 degrees Celsius in just 4 minutes. That's 25% faster than other printers. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.